Before you go and spend your hard-earned money on sunscreens for you and your family, you should know the difference between mineral and chemical sunscreens. These are two types of sunscreens that work differently to protect the skin from the harmful effects of the sun's ultraviolet (UV) rays. Here are the main differences between them. Active ingredients. Mineral sunscreens. Also known as physical sunscreens, mineral sunscreens use active ingredients like zinc oxide and/or titanium dioxide. These minerals form a physical barrier on the skin's surface, reflecting and scattering UV rays away from the skin. Chemical sunscreens. Chemical sunscreens contain organic, carbon-based compounds like avobenzone, oxybenzone, octinoxate, and octisalate. These compounds work by absorbing UV rays and converting them into heat, which is then released from the skin. Mineral sunscreens. Mineral sunscreens work as a shield on the skin, reflecting and scattering both UVA and UVB rays. They provide broad-spectrum protection and begin working as soon as they are applied. Chemical sunscreens. Chemical sunscreens penetrate the skin and absorb UV rays. They primarily protect against UVB rays and often require about 20 minutes to be fully effective after application. Sun protection. Mineral sunscreens. Zinc oxide and titanium dioxide provide effective protection against both UVA and UVB rays. They are generally considered broad-spectrum sunscreens. Chemical sunscreens. The effectiveness of chemical sunscreens in protecting against UVA rays can vary, depending on the specific ingredients used. Some chemical sunscreens may offer broad-spectrum protection, while others primarily focus on UVB rays. Sensitivity and irritation. Mineral sunscreens. Mineral sunscreens are generally considered gentle and suitable for sensitive skin. They are less likely to cause skin irritation or allergic reactions. Chemical sunscreens. Some individuals may be sensitive or allergic to certain chemical sunscreen ingredients, such as oxybenzone. Chemical sunscreens have a higher likelihood of causing skin irritation in comparison to mineral sunscreens. Appearance and feel on the skin. Mineral sunscreens. Mineral sunscreens often have a thicker consistency and can leave a white cast on the skin. However, newer formulations have improved texture and reduced the white cast effect. Chemical sunscreens. Chemical sunscreens are usually lighter and more cosmetically elegant, with a smoother application and no white cast. Environmental impact. Mineral sunscreens. Mineral sunscreens are considered more environmentally friendly because they are not absorbed into the skin and do not harm coral reefs or marine life. Chemical sunscreens. Some chemical sunscreen ingredients, such as oxybenzone and octinoxate, have been found to contribute to coral bleaching and harm marine ecosystems. It's important to note that both mineral and chemical sunscreens are effective when used correctly. The choice between the two often comes down to personal preference, skin sensitivity, and desired texture or appearance on the skin. Regular and proper use of sunscreen, regardless of the type, is crucial for protecting the skin from the harmful effects of UV radiation. Now let us look at which one is most effective and recommended by doctors. Both mineral and chemical sunscreens can be effective in protecting the skin from the sun's harmful UV rays. The choice between the two depends on individual preferences, skin type, and specific needs. Both types of sunscreens have been approved by regulatory bodies and are recommended by doctors. However, mineral sunscreens, particularly those containing zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, are generally considered to provide broad-spectrum protection against both UVA and UVB rays. They work by creating a physical barrier on the skin, reflecting and scattering the UV rays. Mineral sunscreens are often recommended for individuals with sensitive skin or those prone to allergic reactions, as they are less likely to cause irritation. On the other hand, chemical sunscreens, with ingredients like avobenzone, oxybenzone, and octinoxate, primarily absorb UV rays and convert them into heat. They are effective in protecting against UVB rays, but the effectiveness in blocking UVA rays can vary depending on the specific ingredients used. Ultimately, the most effective sunscreen is one that is used correctly and regularly. It is important to follow the application instructions, reapply as recommended, and choose a sunscreen with a suitable SPF, sun protection factor, for your skin type and sun exposure conditions. Consulting with a dermatologist or healthcare professional can provide personalized recommendations based on your specific needs and concerns. Now here are some myth-busting and common misconceptions. Separate fact from fiction as we debunk common misconceptions surrounding chemical and mineral sunscreens. We'll address concerns related to the safety of chemical sunscreens, the white cast associated with mineral sunscreens, and more, ensuring you have accurate information to make the best choice for your skin. This video can help you be equipped with the knowledge to confidently choose between chemical and mineral sunscreens, aligning with your skin's needs and personal preferences. Remember, selecting the right sunscreen is crucial for maintaining healthy skin and protecting yourself from the sun's harmful rays. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more informative content on our channel. Let's embark on this journey together towards sun-safe and radiant skin.